No. I've tried, but it's not for me. You should cook more. Alam mo, the weak on man's part is through his tongue. Pero sa ganda mong yan, siguro marami kang alam na shortcuts. Well, I have my ways, but right now I'm not really looking for anything. I'm just playing around, having fun. Ayoko man na magka-boyfriend.
Oh my God, wala ba?
Wala, ayoko ma-stress. Ayoko mangarap, kaya tignan mo ako ngayon. Fresh! 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 Hindi haggard. Well, any woman would be lucky to have Ram. So lucky you.
Kaya nga siya ang pinakasalan ko eh. Kasi siya ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. Mababaliw siguro ako kapag nalaman ko may babae siya. Baka mapatay ko kami. Silang dalawa actually. Ang aga-aga, ang bitter. Gawin natin yan. Sweeter. Good morning, Sanyo!
Sama! Ang sakit, Ralph! Ang sakit!
Just shut up and kiss me, and don't you dare fall in love with me. Just shut up and kiss me, and don't you dare fall in love with me. Just shut up and kiss me, and don't you dare fall in love with me.
Jup, 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 jup.